What if kids could save the planet, one mission at a time? Meet Eco Kids to the rescue, an exciting adventure made just for you. From recycling disasters and water worries, to wildlife rescues and energy emergencies, every chapter turns real-world problems into fun, kid-powered solutions. Packed with hands-on activities, eco-challenges, and creative games. Perfect for parents, teachers, and young heroes who want to make a real difference. Because when kids care for the Earth, the future gets brighter. Eco Kids to the rescue. Available now, and get your copy today.